Hello everyone, this is the problem solver guy. Welcome to this brand new video. This video is about how to solve the second layer. Okay, the first and second layer. Okay, so these two layers, people are confused on how to solve the second layer, so I'm making this video once again. Okay, so if you are new, you just have to learn two algorithms out here. Okay, so let's practice the algorithm first. Okay, so this is called the right algorithm. Okay, so right algorithm, all you have to do is, since this is the right layer, you have to do this R, you have to do U, R prime, U prime. Okay, so just practice R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, so you just practice this R algorithm, or let's say the right algorithm. Okay, so this is the right algorithm, you just practice. Now let's look at this left hand side. This is the left algorithm. Okay, so you have to do L prime, U prime, L and U. Okay, so just practice this left algorithm also. Okay, so if you just know these two algorithm, the right algorithm, it looks like this. I'm doing it slowly. The left algorithm, it looks like this. Okay, so whenever I tell you to do the right algorithm, just do this, and when I tell you to do the left algorithm, you just have to do this. Okay, so we'll solve the first and the second layer. Okay, so yeah, this video is about second layer, but yeah, to solve the second layer, you have to solve the first layer. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, always make sure that the yellow centerpiece is on the top, and bring the four white edge pieces. Okay, so edge pieces means the one that has only two colors. Okay, so these are the corner pieces. I hope you know that. Okay, so okay, never mind. Okay, so just bring the four white edge pieces beside this yellow. Okay, so let's look at this is one. Okay, so let's go and find another one. Okay, so we just solved three. Now let's look where that last one is. It's here, so we do this. Okay, so now we brought the four white edge pieces out here. Now what we have to do is we just have to make sure you have to align these two. Okay, so this is already aligned, but you can see out here this is not aligned. Okay, so let's go and start with the orange one. Okay, so we just align this out here and just rotate it 180 degree. Okay, so do the same for all the remaining three sides. Okay, so blue, just align it with blue, just rotate it. Okay, so now the last one, it's already aligned. So now what we did it, we just formed a cross in the bottom. Okay, white cross in the bottom. Okay, now how to solve the first layer. Okay, so if you do not know, just keep watching this video. Okay, so you can see out here, now look for corner pieces which contains white in it. Okay, for example this one, you can see orange, red and white. Okay, so and once you find it, go and find the centerpiece of these two colors. Okay, so that means green and red. Okay, so you can see green center is out here, red center is out here. Okay, but the piece which we looked, the corner piece that contains white in it, you can start with any one. Okay, so for example, you can also start with this one. Okay, so if we do this, you can see green and orange. Okay, so green is out here and orange is out here. Okay, so after that we just bring that corner piece in between. Okay, in between green and orange. Okay, so you can see out here green and orange. You have to keep it on top of these two colors. Okay, so these two colors are green and orange. Now hold this, keep this way on the right hand side. Now what I taught you, the right algorithm. Okay, so do the right algorithm until you go and align these two colors. Okay, so you'll see what I mean. Okay, so 2 times nothing happened, 3 times it's still not aligned, 4 times, and in the 5th time you can see that we solved this corner. Okay, so you can see green and green is aligned and orange is aligned. Okay, now do the same for others. Okay, so other corners, you can see out here blue, red and white. Okay, the corner piece should contain white in it. Okay, so now let's go and bring it in between this blue and red. Okay, so blue and red, just bring it out here, hold the cube again this way, do the right algorithm until you align this one. Okay, make sure you do the full right algorithm. Okay, 1 2 3, and make sure you do the last step also. Okay, 4 times, 5 times. When you did 5 times, you can see that red and blue is aligned. Okay, sometimes we can solve it sooner. Okay, so now let's go for another one, green and red. Green is out here, red is out here. Okay, we just move this upper layer to bring this on top of these two. Okay, so these two colors. Okay, you can see out here. Now do the right algorithm. Okay, so in this case we did it in just one go. Okay, so that's cool. Now let's look for another one, orange and blue. Blue is here, orange is here. Okay, so let's do the right algorithm and solve the first layer. Okay, now you can see out here we just solved the first layer. Okay, now people are confused on the second layer. Okay, so now watch very carefully. Okay, I did this first layer pretty fast, but second layer I'll just explain. Now in order to do the second layer, you have to look at this top layer. Okay, so this top layer or the upper layer, you have to look for edge pieces that do not contain yellow. You can see out here this contains yellow, this edge piece contains yellow. These are the corner pieces. Okay, so these are the corner pieces. This is an edge piece. Okay, so this, since it contains yellow, we ignore this. Okay, but this one, it does not contain yellow. This one also does not contain yellow. Now this one also contains yellow, so we ignore this. Okay, so let's start with, okay, let's do with this red one. Okay, blue and red. You can see out here this edge piece which does not contain yellow. Okay, now first of all, always rotate this upper layer and align it with its center color. Okay, so that means red. Okay, so red and red is aligned. Now after these two colors are aligned, okay, look at the top color, which it's blue. Okay, so blue can either be on the left hand side or on the right hand side. In this case, blue is in the left hand side. Since blue is in the left hand side, we push this upper layer away from this center. Okay, so if blue was out here, when pushing it away from the center, we used to rotate this way. But since it's on the left hand side of this, okay, so we push it away from this and we'll do the left algorithm. Okay, since center is on the left hand side, we do on the left. Okay, if the center was on the right hand side, we had to do the right algorithm. Okay, so I'll do it again. Okay, so you go and align it out here, look for the top color and look for the center color. Okay, now just push it away from here and do the left algorithm that I taught you in the beginning of this video. Okay, so after you do the left algorithm, now you have to do the right algorithm. Okay, so in order to do the right algorithm, now we have to bring this corner piece to the right hand side. Okay, so whenever you are doing the right algorithm, you need to bring this corner piece on the right hand side, and when you are doing left algorithm, you have to bring it to the left. Okay, and do the right algorithm. It will make sense when I do another example. Okay, so now we just solve this corner piece out here. Okay, this second layer. Now let's look for another one. Okay, so you can see blue and orange. So first we go and align it with these two. So after we align it, we see the top color. Again, the orange top color is on the left hand side. So we just push this upper layer away from this centerpiece. Okay, so we pushed it away and we do the left algorithm once. Okay, so after you do the left algorithm, just rotate this cube this way and do the right algorithm. Okay, so we just solved it. Okay, so let's look for another edge piece. Okay, so now this is an interesting case. Okay, now you can see that in the top layer you can't find any edge piece which do not contain yellow. Okay, all edge piece contains yellow. Okay, so where are the edge pieces? Okay, so it's hidden out here. Okay, so the edge piece that do not contain yellow, it's hidden out here. So in order to bring this out here, we have to do the right algorithm once. Okay, so we did the right algorithm once, and now in order to do the left algorithm, we just push it to the left hand side and do the left algorithm. Okay, so now this way we just brought this edge piece from here to here. Okay, so now we can do the formula. Okay, now this is the another case, and this is a good to have this case. Okay, because you won't get confused. Okay, now you can see we aligned red and red. Okay, now just look at this top color. Okay, it's no longer on the left hand side, but it's on the right hand side. Okay, so the center piece of this top color. Okay, so what we do is we push it away from this centerpiece. We do the right algorithm. We do the right algorithm first. Okay, and we bring this back. Okay, so we rotate it and bring it to the left hand side, and we do the left algorithm. Okay, so this way we just solved the second layer of 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, now solving the third layer is also easy. Just watch my previous video. I made a video on how to solve the third layer with ease. Okay, so now this video was about how to solve the first and second layer. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on Rubik's Cube. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.